Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hope everybody is well this morning. Good morning. Good morning. My name is TIRZAHANDREWS. Welcome to my live. For those of you who are watching me on YouTube, welcome to Phaziz of Life, Inspirational Entertainment. Again, my name is TIRZAHANDREWS, and today our message is 3 powerful reasons why you should never quit. 3 powerful reasons why you should never quit. And these are the things that I most definitely stand by, because these are my personal reasons why you should never quit. So for those of you that are joining me for the first time, put 111 in the comment section. For those of you that are watching me live, please put in the comment section live. Good morning, Bridge. How are you? If you're watching after the live, please put in the comment section #replay. Good morning. Again, my name is TIRZAHANDREWS. Welcome to my live. Today, I want to give you 3 powerful reasons why you should never quit. And make sure that you type in the comment section where you're chiming in from. Good morning, Kelsey. How are you? Good morning. Thank you so much for joining me. And if this is your first time, again, please put in the comment section 111. All right. So the 3 powerful reasons why you should never quit. And once I share them, I believe that we'll all be in agreement with these are the 3 top powerful reasons why you should never quit. I made notes because I'm known to get off track. So I made me some notes this morning so I won't get off track. And I know you're going about your busy day, but I want you to realize something, that in the midst of you going through your day, there are going to be times when you're going to feel like quitting. There's going to be a time that you're going to feel like resigning, just giving up, just saying, look, forget it. But I'm here to tell you that now is not the time to quit. Don't ever give up. And before you do, I wanted to let you all know that we're living in a microwave society, right? And most people want things right away. They don't have the patience to wait. They don't want to go through the trials and tribulations it takes to be a successful business owner, or they're just starting a job or whatever, and you know, they just ready to quit because there's a lot of pressure. Well, diamonds are made under pressure. And so what you want to do is make sure that you stay focused on the bottom line, the reason why you're doing what you're doing. So if you're not a home-based business owner and you working for somebody else, now is the time to start thinking about your escape plan. See, with me at the age of 50, I was fired from my career job as a CDL driver. And so at 53, I started my own home-based business. Why? Because I've always wanted to have my own business, and now I'm a multiple business owner. So I just want to share with you all that some people are just ready to make things happen right away. They don't want to wait. You know, they are impatient with the way things are going. They want to make money right away, but they haven't got the plan down. They haven't got the step-by-step blueprint for being successful. So this morning, the reasons why you should never resign, okay? Resign or quit while you're in the midst of accomplishing your dreams or starting something new. Don't give up. What does it mean to quit? You're going to give up. You're going to cease from doing something that's normal or expected or necessarily that's necessary. It's like an engine. It quits, right? If you've been running that thing, if you've been going back and forth and you've ran your car down, guess what? Eventually it's going to clunk out if you don't keep it up, right? So that's the nicer way to say that you quit. You resign. Sometimes in ministry, pastors resign, okay? Sometimes in your life, in your marriages, people just quit. They just give up because they have lost the passion for what it is that they're doing. Good morning, honey. Thank you for joining me this morning. Okay, so you don't want to give up. You don't want to quit from the thing that you're passionate about. Okay, so my number one reason why I don't quit, and it should be the main reason why you don't quit, is because you believe in your dreams. It was Langston Hughes that said, hold fast to your dreams, for without them, life is like a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Right? That was Langston Hughes that said that. So you need to believe in your dreams. I believe in my dreams. My very first dream was to be a housewife. Guess what? I met a beautiful heart man, a wonderful man that said, he never really wanted his wife to work. If she wanted to work, she could work. If she didn't, he was going to provide for his wife. What a great feeling. Look how God made it so that I could be a housewife, right? So you don't want to give up on your dreams. Why? Or you don't want to quit on your dreams because, number one, you believe in your dreams. I realized that I had everything inside of me. Number two, you have to remember that you have everything you need inside of you. Yes, you have everything on the inside of you. Every person, I don't care who it is. I don't care how much money they have. I don't care what status they are. We all are 99.99% the same. There's nothing different about us. We all have a mind to think. We all have a heart of compassion. Those of us that want to do and make a difference in life, there's nothing different between me and you. Only difference is I took the plunge. You understand? I took the plunge of starting something new after being fired at the age of 50. I was fired from my career job. Okay? That is a hard situation. You may have gotten fired today, but let today be the day that you decide that you're going to do something different, that you're going to finally live your dreams, that you're going to finally walk out your purpose and your destiny, that today is going to be the day that you're not going to give up on you, and you're going to do what's necessary to take your life to the next level. And number three, you don't want to live with regrets. Sitting at the age of 86, rocking in your chair, rocking in that chair, reflecting on your life. You don't want to look back with regrets. You want to say, I did everything that's in me to do. It was Les Brown that said that if you don't make a conscious decision, he told me this. He said, I'm sitting down in front of Les Brown. He said that if you don't make a conscious decision of what you want to do with your life, then you've made a conscious decision to be poor. Okay? You've made a conscious decision to be poor. And so what came to my spirit was, no, I haven't. So I had to make a choice to decide what I wanted to do. So you don't want to live with regrets. You don't want to live your life with regrets. Remember, number one, believe in your dreams. Hold fast to your dreams. Don't give up on your dreams. One of my dreams, businesses didn't come to pass after 28 years. Okay? My most recent dream of being a home-based business owner, it's only been a few months and I've become a 4-figure earner from home. Number two, you have everything that you need. There's nothing different between you, Les Brown, and myself. We all are the same. All we have to do is make the conscious decision to do something different. And number three, you do not want to live your life with regrets. You don't want to sit in your chair at the age of 85 or 86 wondering what it is that you could have done or would have done or should have done. You want to make sure that you take your life in your hands and take control of your life and realize that there's something that you can do. So if you're that person that believes in yourself, if you're that person that knows without a doubt that you have everything you need in the inside of you. If you are that person that you don't want to live with regrets, I need you to put in the comment section. I want you to put in the comment section, it is I want to get it done. I'm ready. Or just put ready in the comment section. Ready. I'm ready to move to the next level. I'm ready to take my life to the next dimension. I'm ready to begin to believe in myself. I'm ready to do everything that I know that I can do so that I won't have to live with regrets. Okay? You don't have to be fearful. You don't have to be anxious. Okay? You don't have to be filled with anxiety. Okay? So now is the time. Today is the day that you do everything you can to change your life. If you're that person and you're ready today, you've been fired on your job, you've tried the online space, you haven't been successful, I have a blueprint that will help you take your life to the next level. You will earn from home. You will earn income from home, following this step-by-step method. And I'm telling you that today is your day to make a difference in your life. Today is the day that you take that plunge. Today is the day for you to realize there's something on the inside of you that everybody else has too. You be that person that makes the difference. You be that person that say, listen, I want to take my life to the next level. And there's nothing that's going to stop me. I believe in me. I believe in my dreams, and I know I can do it. If I have somebody, if I have that support system, if I have that team that will help me, I believe that I can do it. Well, this is where you get it. Right here with WTA Life Solutions. My name is TIRZAHANDREWS. It's been my pleasure to be with you this morning. Have yourselves an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you over the top. Have a great day.